Yo, what's going on YouTube? I am back after a while, yo. I ain't gonna lie, I've been tripping. Let me turn this fan off. I've been on TikTok, as you'll probably know. If you don't, go follow me on TikTok. I'm finna hit 90K. Then after that, 100K. I'm gonna just say 100K right off the bat. Yeah, it's been a while. I ain't gonna lie, I've been working. Sometimes you gotta work and space yourself out a little bit from YouTube sometimes to get back on. But I have been still doing content. If you know me, I always will do content. And I just took it to TikTok. And what I'm gonna do is just bring the TikTok people and bring them to YouTube so we can have more of a family, you know what I'm saying? Then y'all can give me names. Whatever y'all want. This video is not about me right now, even though I came back after a while. The iOS 14 is out and it is fire. I'm still messing with it right now. What I'll do is show a screen of it, because if I do this, it might not focus. But it's for right now. I got the neon colors, and if y'all want like a how-to video on how to like customize it and how to put the apps as a picture and stuff like that, then I will just ask and you shall receive. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna do a screen record. Let me see. Now this is me just starting off basics. This is the first page of when you open my iPhone. I'm still kind of figuring it out, but like as you see the little September 21st, you can download the app called let me see, hold on, my mom's calling me, hold up. I'm gonna have to call her back. She messed up my screen record. Dang. Alright, let's put the screen recorder back on. She interrupted my John, dog. Come on. Alright, so like I said, first page, we got the little big bar at the top. Now you can do that if you have iOS 14, the little bar. Second page is all the neon. I made it all neon. So what you can do is, that's what I was going to say. I'll show you how to do it in another video. This is just showing you what it looks like. Right now it's trash, but you see like the little battery percentage. Yeah, I need to charge this John. And then we go all the way to the right. It's like a little tab. It's like where all your apps is. It's basically organized for you. It's called like a app library, and then it's organized for you. And the app is color widgets for the calendar, the colorful calendar, you know, calendar. It's really easy how to do it. I'm gonna show y'all in the next video if y'all ask. I don't wanna just post it and y'all don't go watch, you feel me? So comment if you want that video. And yeah, this is basically it right now. I might change the whole theme to neon. I'ma probably do that because I seen it was like an inspiration for somebody on TikTok that did that, and it was fire. She got buzz on YouTube for it. If you seen it, you probably did. But yeah, I'm gonna create my whole page neon and then be dope. Now iOS 14, it gives you the specs already though. Like the app library is everything. It says where your social is, your productivity and finance. It does all that stuff. Your money, your maps is in travel, photos, everything for YouTube, entertainment. It's tough. So y'all go check it out. I just wanted to get on here and show y'all this, and I'm gonna show y'all an after effect of when I'm done if y'all want that next video. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. I know this was probably a pointless vid. I needed to hop back on here, but if y'all want that video, y'all shall receive. It'll be like probably 11 minutes, whatever y'all feel like it. So make sure y'all subscribe, and boom.